Welcome back. We're in the Blue Mountains, southeast Washington. We got about 20 minutes left of sunlight, so we'll be finding camp past sunset. We just aired down, so hopefully we should be rolling into camp here not too late. Let's get to it. There goes the sun. Well, this was our number one spot based on what I saw on the satellite. But you can tell we are pretty exposed out here on this point. So I think we're gonna keep going, even though it is getting dark. And I do not like to find camp in the dark. So we have it in 4 low because we are climbing a very steep hill right now. Almost 30 degrees, but the truck is handling it perfectly. So I passed the spot coming in. I had it marked. So we're gonna go take a peek up at the top here and see what we see. Well, so far we are striking out. It is 6:30, so 15 minutes past sunset. Camera makes it look a lot brighter than it actually is. I've always said I don't need ditch lights for nighttime driving because I'm never looking for camp in the dark. Well, those would come in handy tonight. Well, we struck out again, so we are going to go just a little ways back. I found a spot on the way in. That'll work for us. All right, we just got to camp. It is only a half hour past sunset, but it is dark. Now we at least have some light. We got camp mostly set up. It's about 8 o'clock. I am going to get a little work done. Good morning. I'm really glad we did not camp out on the peak that we first stopped at. About midnight, the wind picked up pretty good. We're pretty sheltered because we're tucked back into some trees. But if we had been out on that point, that would have been a rough night. This is looking north, out onto the Palouse. So we're just at the edge of the Blue Mountains right now. Come here. This guy get his stick first. We are just chasing the sun with the solar panels as we get our Jackery topped off. How you doing, bud? He is so dirty. So dirty. But it's okay. So my goal is be done with work here in about an hour and then get out of here really quick and go explore a little bit more. All right, we are all packed up, ready to go find a new camp for tonight. The only item that we need to do today is find camp by 6 p.m. so we can watch the Mariners play in the playoffs. And seeing as it's noon, we got plenty of time. Let's get going. We are at the Clearwater Lookout Cabin Old fire lookout. It's closed, you can't get up there. But that would be pretty cool little sketch. You would have pretty sweeping views from the top of that lookout though. So we are at about 5,700 feet right now. Pretty cool little spot. So that fire lookout was over there to the left. We are headed along this ridge line right in front of us. Should be some good spots to camp. Looks like we've got a little fire pit over here. Could back the trailer right in here. Definitely exposed to the wind though. But look at these views. I think all these spots along this ridge are going to be windy. Ouch, that hurt. We are exploring one more route and then we are going to fall back to that fairly exposed spot. So we'll see what this last spot has for us. This might be a little promising. Oh wow. This might work. So this was just so conveniently left right here. Again, I am not an expert when it comes to using a chainsaw. So we'll see what we can do. Now let's see how easy this is to split. That went pretty well. I still have my legs, arms, fingers. He wants to be on camera. What do you want to say, bud? What do you want to say, huh? Well, we've got everything set up just about. We're going to get the awning out here in a little bit, get that staked down. We've got solar panels out. It's pretty cloudy, but they're generating a little bit of power. Got the jackery out. We got the diesel heater out because it is going to get cold tonight. So last night was about 55 degrees. Tonight it's supposed to get down to mid 40s and then we're up at elevation, so it should be in the 30s tonight for sure. Diesel heater routed up under the trailer, right into the trailer. Got Starlink all set up. Obviously no obstructions. And this is the stick master. What do you got there, bud? What do you got? It says, don't mind me, Dad. You can see over the truck, those look like storm clouds. Supposed to get some chances of rain tonight and tomorrow. In lieu of that, we have deployed the awning, and it is guyed down on 4 points, 2 out front, and then both front poles are also staked down. Hudson has been observing and approving of everything. I saw up to like 25 mile an hour gusts. This is rated at about 35 to 40 when it's properly staked down, so I'm not too worried about that. This is a pretty nice spot. Views pretty much 180 degrees all the way around. Out into the Palouse. Sunset should hopefully be pretty good too. Can't beat this though. Just at camp with your pup, with the fire. So we are looking out west right now. But if you look to the south, this is what's coming our way. Yeah, definitely at least some rain over there. Pretty quiet down here. We just had one person drive down in the truck. Other than that, just us. Home sweet home. Really glad I brought the diesel heater. because I can tell it is going to get chilly tonight. So we're just relaxing, watching the Mariners. Starlink is working great. 0-0 right now. Not my average evening. Usually it's disconnected, phones off, laptops off, but we make exceptions for situations like this. I'm not sure what's going on here, if this is smoke or fog, just clouds, but it's rolled in over the last half hour or so. I mean, you used to be able to see all the way through this valley out to the Palouse, and now you cannot see anything. About ready to get dinner started. By the way, it's getting cold. You can see, I can see my breath. It is 48 degrees outside. That is the coldest it's been this whole trip. It got down to only 55 last night, so we are in for a cold night. All right, we're gonna do more of the same tonight. Got chicken, fajita seasoning, and potatoes. Some avocado oil on those. What I've learned the trick is with this, in order to get the potatoes to cook, you want to add a little water just to get it so it boils and steams in there. Set it there for right now. Let's see how it does. Mariners just tied the game. Bottom of the 7th, 2-2. Oh, it smells fantastic. Right, we're gonna eat dinner and watch the rest of this Mariners team. Top of the 8th. It's tied 2-2. Well, Mariners did it. 15 innings. Going to the American League Championship Series. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool to watch too. Out in the middle of nowhere. That game went a lot longer than I was planning. That was almost a 5.5 hour game. We are going to call it a night and go to bed. Well, good morning. We are obviously not at camp making breakfast right now. Woke up to snow and sleet, horizontal sleet, and it got cold. It got down to 36 degrees last night. The wind was howling. It woke me up about midnight, and then about 4 in the morning, I actually got up, brought the awning in, so I didn't have to worry about it, because you could just feel that awning catch the wind and just buffet the whole trailer as I was trying to sleep. So yeah, we quickly packed up camp, threw everything in the trailer, in the truck. We're going to get down the mountain, at least off of this peak where we're exposed with the wind. I think what we're gonna do is just head down the mountain, air up, get into town, get gas, and then probably just get breakfast on the way out of town when we get home. But that was a good trip. This spot is really nice when it's not windy. Okay, see you guys next time.